In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and delete shifts from your template. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have selected the location for which you want to build a template. I have After Hours selected. Make sure you have something selected there as well. Select Templates halfway down your menu and choose the template you want to work on. Now go to your new top menu bar and select Shifts, and you should arrive at your template. This template is blank, it doesn't have any shifts in it at the moment. To add an individual shift, go to the top of your chart and click the Add button, and from the drop-down menu, select Shifts. Now you can build shifts for this schedule. Let's say that you need someone every morning. You can go ahead and choose one for every morning. This is a restaurant. I don't need this person to come in until 9, and they can stay until 4. Then I could add a break if I wanted. I do need to select a station. This is where they will be working. And I could select a shift group. I could also select an employee who would automatically be assigned to this shift every week. If I choose an employee, this template will override any schedule constraints that they might have. That means if you've granted them leave, they will still be scheduled using this template. So be sure and watch out for that when you're building the actual schedule. Then you could leave a note. Maybe I'll put something like opening shift, just so whoever's scheduled is aware. If I don't like this, I can choose close. I do, so I'm going to go ahead and choose save. And now, if you notice behind this pop-up menu, all of those shifts have been added. This pop-up menu stays here, so I could create that same shift and just change the station and choose save. And now those shifts have been added. I could also change the times. Let's say this is going to be an afternoon shift. Choose save, and now those shifts have been added. I'm going to go ahead and choose close to exit out of this. And if I scroll down, you can see I've added a whole bunch of shifts. Another way to add shifts is to use a template or schedule you have already built. If you go back up and click on Add, you can choose Templates and select a template you've already built. Let's say Bartender Weekly. If you don't want to do this, choose Close. If you do, choose Submit. And now that template has been added to this one. I can do the same thing using a schedule. If I go back up to Add and click on Schedules, I can choose a schedule I've already created and use that to add shifts to this template. Like that, and now those shifts have been added. I can also add using a plan for head counts if that has already been created. And that's how you can add shifts to your template. If I want to delete a shift, let's say that I have too many bus people working on one day, I can choose that shift, click on Mass Update, and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 will make sure I do want to delete that shift. I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. And now that shift has been deleted. If I want to edit a shift to change it, let's say that I don't want this to automatically schedule Barbara. I'll go ahead and click on this shift, choose Mass Update, and choose Clear Assignments. TeamWork 5 again is going to make sure you do want to do that. I'll go ahead and choose OK. And now Barbara is no longer automatically assigned to that shift. I can do, again, the same thing on another shift. Click on it, choose Mass Update, choose Edit, and now I can change the date, the time, the break, all of that other information. Say that I want this to be a cashier instead. If I don't like this, I can choose Close. I do, so I'll go ahead and choose Save. And now you can see that shift has been changed from a bartender to a cashier shift. And that's how you can add, delete, and edit shifts in your template. To learn how to do mass updates to a bunch of shifts at one time, including how to add and delete breaks, check out the next video.